Homemade sweet potato leaves recipe to try. Do you also throw your yam leaves or feed them to your pigs? If yes, you need to stop doing that because this vegetable is loaded with nutrition. Sweet potato leaves may sound a bit inappropriate to be called a vegetable because most people don't know what to do with them. In some parts of the world, yam leaves are known as the longevity vegetable or the queen of vegetables. This is because of the high nutrient content of the vegetable. Sweet potato leaves are low in cholesterol and saturated fats. They are a storehouse of omega-3 fatty acid, which plays a vital role in regulating many essential body functions. Being a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folate, sweet potato leaves protect the body from damage and lower the risk of diabetes, inflammation, and chronic diseases. They are high in antioxidants and are considered highly beneficial for cancer. They're easy to grow and can be found at any Asian supermarket. How to make sweet potato leaves. Now that you know every reason to eat yam leaves, I'm gonna show you a very easy and authentic Chinese vegetable stir-fry recipe made with yam leaves. You can have it with rice, beans, or anything you like. Let's see how to make stir-fry sweet potato leaves. Ingredients: ½ tablespoon sesame or olive oil, a bunch of sweet potato leaves, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, ½ a teaspoon of sugar, ½ a teaspoon of salt. Recipe. Step 1. Do the prep. Take your sweet potato leaves and wash them thoroughly in lukewarm water. Let them sit in vinegar water for about 15 minutes. Make sure there are no bugs or surface dirt on it. Meanwhile, peel a garlic clove and roughly chop it. Step 2. Stir-fry everything. Take a wok and put it on low to medium heat. Add your sesame or olive oil with garlic and cook it until fragrant. Then add your sweet potato leaves to the wok, followed by all the seasoning, spices, and sauces. Give it a good mix. You can skip Shaoxing wine if you avoid it for religious or any other purposes. Keep tossing everything around until your sweet potato leaves are soft. Dish them out and sprinkle black pepper on top. There you have a beautiful plate of authentic Chinese yam leaf stir-fry. Serving size. This recipe is good for 2 people. Each serving contains around 50 calories, 4 grams of healthy fats, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. If you're into Chinese food, you'll surely love this recipe. Do make it at home and come back to comment under this video. For more such content, subscribe to the channel.